How to fix bubbles to chat hits. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will learn about how we can fix bubbles to chat hits in Messenger. So let's go ahead and look out for how we can do so, but before that don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, head over to the Messenger application directly, but before that let me just close the Messenger application, and you're just gonna go ahead and long press on the app, and you're gonna go to the info section of the app. And after doing so, you're just gonna go ahead and look for appear on top, which will allow the Messenger chat heads to appear on top of the applications as well. You're just gonna go ahead and look out and allow for this permission. You're just gonna turn on this toggle option on. After that is done, you're just gonna head back and you're gonna find this option called picture in picture. You're just gonna go ahead and allow this as well. It helps to create a picture in picture window while the app is open and after you leave it. So you may just enable both of these options. After that is done, simply open the app. After opening the app, at the top corner, you can find the menu bar at the top left corner. After that is done, you may just tap on the settings icon. And after tapping the settings icon, you're just gonna head over, scroll down a bit, and you can find the chat hits option. So you may just turn on this option, and after this is turned on, you will get after this is turned on, if any kind of message appears, you will be having a chat head like this on your screen, like this. The chat head's active, which means you may just start a conversation if you want, and that's how you basically turn on the chat hits. So therefore, follow the steps in order to turn your bubbles into chat hits by following those steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.